Present tenses are used to describe actions or states happening at the present moment. Habitual actions, general truths, or situations that are always true. There are 4 types of present tenses in English. 1. Present simple tense form. Structure. Subject plus base verb. Add s or es for third person singular. Examples. First, affirmative sentences. I play football. She writes a letter. Second, negative sentences. I don't play football. He does not read a book. Third, interrogative sentences. Do you run fast? Does Maria dance in the party? Uses 1. General truths or facts. The earth revolves around the sun. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. 2. Habits or routines. He drinks coffee every morning. We go to school every day. 3. Permanent situations. She lives in New York. They work in a hospital. Scheduled events. Future reference. The train departs at 6 p.m. The conference starts tomorrow. Time expressions. Always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, never, every day, on Mondays. Second present, continuous, progressive. Tense form. Structure, subject plus am, is, are, plus verb with ing. Examples. 1. Affirmative sentences. I am reading a book. They are playing basketball. Second, negative sentences. We are not going to anywhere. She is giving me a beautiful rose. Third, interrogative sentences. Is he going to America? Are you getting admission in the Oxford University? Uses 1. Actions happening now. She is cooking dinner. We are watching TV. 2. Temporary actions. He is staying with a friend for a week. They are studying hard for exams. 3. Planned future actions. I am meeting him tomorrow. We are traveling to Paris next week. Time expressions. Now, at the moment. Currently, today. These days, this week. Third, present perfect tense form. Structure. Subject plus has, have plus past participle. Examples. 1. Affirmative sentences. I have finished my homework. She has visited Italy. Second, negative sentences. He has not seen that place. They have submitted applications. Third, interrogative sentences. Have we watched the film? Has she completed her homework? Uses 1. Actions completed at an unspecified time. I have seen that movie. She has traveled to many countries. 2. Actions that started in the past and continue in the present. They have lived here for 10 years. I have known him since childhood. 3. Recent actions with a present effect. He has just arrived. I have lost my keys. Time expressions. Just, already. Yet, ever. Never since. For, so far. Lately. Fourth, present perfect continuous tense. Form, structure, subject, plus, has, have been, plus verb with ing. Examples. 1. Affirmative sentences. I have been studying for 2 hours. She has been working at the company since 2020. He has not been going to America for 5 years. They have not been fighting with each other during study. Third, interrogative sentences. Have you been eating bananas for 2 weeks? Has Dr. William been diagnosing him since 2023? Uses 1. Actions that started in the past and are still continuing. He has been living here for 10 years. They have been playing soccer since morning. Second actions recently stopped with a present effect. I am tired because I have been running. She has been cooking, so the kitchen is messy. Time expressions. For, since, how long lately? Recently. Key differences and comparisons. First, present simple versus present. Continuous. Simple. Habitual actions. Example, I walk to school every day. Continuous. Actions happening right now. Example, I am walking to school now. 2. Present perfect versus present perfect. Continuous. Perfect. Focuses on the result. Example, I have written 3 emails. Perfect continuous. Focuses on the duration or ongoing nature. Example, I have been writing emails for an hour.
Understanding present tenses is essential for effective communication in English. They help express not only the current moment but also general habits, facts, and ongoing actions, making them foundational for sentence structure and meaning.